Welcome back to Outlander ATV. Now I know what you're thinking. I just uploaded a very similar video. However, on this day, I only needed to repair one wheel. It was slightly over 11 months that my previous tire puncture lasted without opening again. Once again, I didn't want to replace the tire with a new one as I would get uneven tire wear. So I'm hoping TireJect can reseal my tire again, at least until I get a new set of tires. First and foremost, I'll be removing the wheel to see if the previous punctures are the only issues on the tire. Grab your 11/16 socket to loosen and remove the lug nuts. After a quick splash of water, I was able to confirm the previous tire punctures were the only issues. Fortunately, TireJect sells single application tire repair kits. The single application kit includes a 10-ounce pouch of rubber tire sealant, a red valve stem cap, a pouch dispensing cap, and a small metal valve core tool. It also includes a quick start guide for installation instructions. Well, let's get started. Grab the metal valve core tool and remove the valve core. Keep in mind, my tire is already deflated due to the punctures. Now the applicator provided on the single pouch kit is different from the 4-tire kit. Remove the cap from the tire sealant pouch and attach the cap hose. Do not flip it open at this time. With the cap hose attached, proceed to push the hose over the valve stem and you can now flip open the cap. Squeeze the pouch to force the tire sealant liquid into the tire through the valve stem. If you do have the plunger applicator as in my previous video, you are good to use that as well. Reinstall the valve core with the included tool and re-inflate the tire. Rotate the tire for 5 minutes to allow the tire sealant to cover all areas of the inside of the tire. At this point, re-inflate the tire to your desired PSI. The liquid rubber mixture should harden and seal the punctures. This mixture consists of natural liquid rubber, recycled rubber tire particles, and Kevlar fibers. And as you can see, the mixture works great at sealing punctures. And just as an extra sense of security, I give it a quick water bubble test to which it passed. I now feel comfortable to reinstall my wheel on the ATV. With your torque wrench, you want to tighten the wheel lug nuts to 59 pounds a foot according to the user manual. And there you have it, TireJect tire sealant, once again giving my punctured tire an extended life. From my first time using the product, my tire lasted 11 months, from July 2021 to May 2022. And from May 2022, of when I did this single tire repair, my tire continues to be sealed and is holding up strong. Still holding up. Well, that's going to do it for this video. As always, have fun, ride safe, and we'll catch you here on the next one at SoCal Outlander ATV.